Hi guys, and welcome back to another video here on Sherry's Divine Styles. And in this video I'm reupholstering a thrift find, so let's go ahead and get started. I wanted to add more cushion to these chairs, so I used tissue paper and traced the top. This blueprint would help me with the layout of the fabric and foam. I used this awesome spray from the dollar store and an old towel and cleaned both chairs. It started getting dark, so on the next day I just worked on the cushions. I used a pair of scissors and a wrench to remove the nails and used the old cushion underneath the fabric as a blueprint for the new fabric and foam. The fabric is from Hobby Lobby. I did the same thing for the tissue paper, and for a second I thought I wasted a whole cardboard, but I was able to use the scraps. So instead of getting one blueprint, I was able to get two. This was how I should have done it at first, but I was still able to get two layouts in the end. So now it's just time to put everything back on the seat. I used an adhesive spray, a hot glue gun, and a staple gun. If you're new to my channel, hi and welcome. My name is Sherry and my content consists of DIYs, organization, and lifestyle. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my uploads. If you're an oldie, welcome back. Make sure you like this video and leave a comment down below. When I was done with the seats, I did minor repairs on the chair and re-cleaned the chairs again with rubbing alcohol. I used the Rust-Oleum chalk spray paint in white, but the paint was leaving a rough texture, so I brought the same paint in a can, but unfortunately it started getting dark, so I wasn't able to use it until the next day. I prefer using the spray paint because it's quicker, but for this project it would have been more expensive. In between each coat, I lightly sand the paint with a 220 grit. You don't have to sand chalk paint, but it does help give that professional painting on your furniture. After the chairs dried, I used a protective spray to seal the paint. Once the chairs were completely dried, it was time to add the foam and the fabric to the top portion of the chair. I used the rest of my batting from previous projects to add more cushion to the back of the chair, and I couldn't decide between the two trims but wound up going with the braided trim. And once that was attached, the only thing I had left to do was to add the bottom seat to the chair. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button down below and you share it with your friends and your family. Make sure you are subscribed and your notification bells are turned on. Also follow me on my social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.